Gee. Oh, it's our famous curry. Sure. Oh, what's this, cuz?
This is steam.
Wow. As you can see. Whakaalawha te makou, mawhala, ke manuine Krismasi, ke manuine tau whaau, koe aho nei, koe aho whanau haku. Whakau, damn, whangufulu. Whangufulu, kamatau ke tau se amanaki, ke tau se taumu. Ia, maua e tau patuo neawhi. One of the beaches, secret spot, don't want to get caught out. And yeah, just starting to prepare. Wai, pupu. Yeah, mea e whale, just getting started. Yeah, o ngawhi, o tanga, all good to go. So yeah, time to celebrate whiwhila heo mea ke whakalataha, kau whakalataha mo mga whao mo tau kapisinga haku. Whiwhia, mana tau ke tau se kai, ke moho, tau e umu ke moho, tau e kai ke moho. Forget the saying, South peeps. Today, happy Merry Christmas, Happy New Year's. Today's my birthday. I'm turning 40 years old. Yeah, I know I look like I'm in my 20s. I look like a fuata, but 40. Oosh. Se seki e tau, but all good. I'm just getting the umu ready. So I told the family to come over around about 9-10, light it up, come prepare their food, and then we'll close it hopefully by 11-12. And yeah, because I told everyone to come around by maybe 2, start at 2, hopefully eating by 4. Yeah, man, what a year. Hope everyone's doing well. Thanks for watching. I see you guys like the Pule Whakamotu video. You guys liked our Eric Christmas video. And all the videos. Thanks for commenting, everyone commenting. Man, Laifoni, Lee Makavani, Elaine, man, the Cook Island family, I forget the name, but some Raros in the house, some Tongans, Big Bowler, that's my friend who I messaged earlier, who's smashing it out in Australia. Last time he sent a video, man, his arm shredded to the bone. And everyone else that comments that I just forget, just because Loto Nimo, getting old myself. Shout out to you guys. So I'm just gonna clear it. It's a bit windy today. My tangi is strong. But yeah, it's all good, we'll get this done. But yeah, hope you guys are well. Kia manuina, to whileweia. Yep, you're on, Dave. Yo.
Happy 40th, 45. Happy normal. I heard that. Alright. What? Happy birthday, bro. What you got?
Okay. Fuck it. Kalofatu, mai kapisinga haku, ke tau se Marquee. Just here setting up the Marquee. If you're looking for a Marquee, let me know. I got a good contact. If you're looking to go to the beach, you do go beaches anywhere, Clippy, within Auckland. Yeah, sorry, I'll move that. Yeah, setting up. So this is the setup. Nice, good shelter. So this is what it looks like. We'll get it in the end.
I love you.
Fefe tuli. Home. Nice. Here we got that back, round 3. Oh, muito. Yeah. Oh, okay. Fefe. Eke ha.
Whakalawaka mā tau kau, kau e kua whiriwei a tau ke pongi poki, koe tau seo he polo. Ka tau he polo koe polo tamai e Jocelyn.
Oh, whakaoe ma tau hui.
Ia, tamai Jos e polo ke tau ake e punupovi, se punupovi lo te kato.
Oh. Ah, punupovi. Shit.
He polo.
Yeah, whakaoe. Okay. Whai kupu uma.
Ai.
Whakaoe langamatai hao. Whai kupu guys, any words?
Happy birthday, Dad. I hope you have a great birthday.
Whakaoe lahi.
Happy birthday.
Whakaoe lahi. Whakalofa atu makau. Hamanaki ke tuke tau mena kai I loto umu. Apparently the umu's probably not big enough, but we'll see. We pehe matua whiwhine haku. Latani. So we will see if it's latani or muipi. Oh, good. Yep, my sisters are here to help. That's my mom. My sister's here. Came to help. Sandy. Oh, yeah, they're going to talk after. But yeah, so here we go. Oh, here's the marquee set up. It's very nice, some shelter. So it's coming along good. The aho whanau was coming along good. Here we are. 3 hours till we go. Can't wait. Marquee. Oh wow. Whakaoe.
Where do you want to
Up, I don't know.
Maybe
This
next
is
to
the cake that Sapphire is eating.
this way?
Floral bought in Vaughan.
Help me.
Can't wait, I don't know.
Just like this?
Maybe put that last.
Okay, we put it to the side for now.
It's got my line. Oh, what's that? Nice. Sapphire. Oh,
So stay, John Mepsor. Happy birthday, John. I've known you for most of my 20s, probably. Lived with you for most of my 20s. And it's been good to see you. You've always been mature and someone to look up to. And it's good to see you become a father and be a good father to all my nieces and nephews. And happy birthday. I can't wait to try your umu and celebrate your big 40th.
oh, shot, Josh.
Happy birthday, John, and I love your amazing dance moves. Happy birthday!
We have a wonderful 40th and we've got such a lot of people here, which is wonderful. The house is full, family. It's so exciting. It's wonderful to have known you all this time, and your card that we gave you says a lot. Okay, have a lovely day. I'm sure you will. Can't help but help it. Bye. Okay, yeah.
Happy birthday and many fishing trips.
Okay, happy birthday, John. We're so happy to be here. Hope you have a wonderful one. And Leonard, would you like to say something? Thank you.
Happy birthday, son. Hope you carry on doing some good work and at family times.
You work with John?
Yes.
Oh,
Nothing much to say, but
in fact, right.
yeah. Hope the good Lord will look after you and
I used to come down to, I don't work at
give you good health all the time and to your family.
Yeah, John was saying.
Yeah. Talk later when you had a have a rest. See you later. Thank you, Larry.
Happy birthday, Dad. I hope that you have an amazing birthday. Monoine aho whanau. I'm so grateful for you, Dad, and I thank you for always protecting me and my family and always supporting me in school. in school. Through all those like times that I was really struggling in like math and piano, so thank you for always being there for me in piano and math. There's some very crying days, but thank you, Dad, for always supporting me and being super funny. Tamai tau tupe. And I'm so thankful that I have you in my life, and being able to be my dad. I love you, Dad, and yep, Koikia, love you, Dad.
Happy birthday, Dad. I hope you have a great day. You're the best dad ever, and yeah, I hope you have a great day, and I'll do that one dance move that you always do. Have an amazing birthday!
When my dad and us went to look for him, his bike was parked up by the lamppost and he was in the sea having a swim by himself down at St. Heliers. So I think that, John, that's one of the things that it's probably one of the signs that you were going to become who you are today. So independent, so cool, doing your own thing, exploring the world, having the best times. You shared with me that you were a little bit nervous about going to intermediate school, and I said to you, John, you just have to know your times tables from 1 to 12. That's all. So we practice, because Oma had taught me that. And so we practice, and then the day you were going to school, you were so confident because you knew all your times tables. So that's one of my greatest memories. And then now as adults, I just want to say to you that you are like superhuman. You just do everything to the best of your ability. You're actually the best brother that any sister could ask for. You're awesome. You're an awesome uncle. You're an awesome brother-in-law. You're just so awesome. I know you're an awesome son. You just do everything. I know you work really hard. And I want to thank your friend for looking after you for the past 15 years. Mana kolahia keli watua kia koe Nukututa
At the moment, I don't know if his family knows, but he's really Thai. He knows that culture is important to him. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for extending the invite to meet your family. Love you, John. Thank you. I'll go help out with the pit.
40th birthday. I can't believe that John is 40. Because when I was at Glennis Intermediate, my friend Megan always reminds me, remember when your brother John was born and we're at Glenlis Intermediate? So I don't know if anyone's mentioned, but John couldn't speak until how old, Mum? About 4 or something? 3 and a half. It took a long time, so I know my kids are already talking about it. So John, I think it was about 4 before he started talking to Mum, found out he wasn't talking because all his sisters were talking for him, so that's why he didn't talk. Another thing is, what I'm really proud of you, people have said it, is the way that you have in the past few years recently embraced your language and culture, and then you're not only teaching your own children, your family, and learning it yourself, and you're getting better and better all the time. Boo! Do ya! Whakalofala hea te ke tolosi, ke ihoa he hiki a tautoro, ke wisu. Tēnā koe tau, that's good, great. And thank you for having us here, John. I've got a very short speech. As part of my speech, I wrote a poem. Because you told us. My kids went with me, so I don't know if we were going to dance or we practiced 2 items, but they both went downhill, so we're not going to do either of them. But I just want to quickly share my story of John. You mentioned going to school, and good to know that Missy was the one that helped you in primary, because you talked about me being at the Heart Foundation working 1 year. I was given the task of leading the Jump Rope for Heart project. Anyway, I had to go to GI Primary and I had to do Jump Rope for Heart in the hall, and I needed to get the stereo for the school. And I went to the principal, so where's your sound system? They're like, you've got to go see the monitor. I go, oh, the sound system monitor, okay, who's that? I'm the librarian. I get the room number, I go to the room, I go up to the teacher and say, hey, I need the monitor for the sound system. They go, yeah, that's John, Stephen, Eric. You have to go. Then I had to ask this little kid, who was my brother, to ask to get the key to go into the, you know, the kind of like the school's treasure trove of IT gear. And he took it seriously and said, hey, it's me, I'm your sister. He was like, yeah, fill in the form, put your name, the time, everything. So that's a memory I have. The other memory I have of John actually was before he was born, and always going to my Auntie Sally's house to eat, because when my mum was pregnant, I know that if she had a girl, the girl would have gone to her. And Sally's in the room today, so I just want to highlight my auntie over there. That, thank goodness she wasn't a girl. Otherwise he would be sitting with Jonathan doing a speech, or we'll be at their house doing these speeches. So that's the other memory I had of spending a lot of time at my auntie and uncle's house while they fattened up my mum, because they thought they were going to adopt her. Lots and lots of stories. So I don't think that the time you spent with me in your youth were all positive. Because during the time you were hanging out with me and Jeff, who's Fifi's biological daddy, passed away a few years ago. Johnny mentioned him. I know during those times you ended up growing your hair out in dreadlocks, hanging out with smokers and drinkers, and they are positive. But anyway, good, bad, up and down, left, right and centre, inside out, it's all been happy. John Stephen. Yeah, so J stands for joyful, spreading cheer far and near. O, V is for valiant, brave and true, and all he'll do. Good girl, Stephen. E is educated, learning deep, new traditions to keep. And N is for noble. Almost there. I know, I'm too old for this. A leader's role with heart and soul. And I never thought I was going to cry at this for the He's not the most important person in my life, but anyway, I think it's quite emotional because I think he's helped us to reflect on our journey together as a family, and yeah, John is very real, nothing is fake. So yeah, anyway, that's my poem. I wrote it in your birthday card, so you'll have that for your treasure. And what song are we going to sing, guys? 1, 2. Bless the Lord, oh my soul, and all that is within me. Bless His holy name. Blessed
Nice.
The native Indians give blankets.
Oh. Always do.
Happy birthday.
Uma. Okay.
I'll just say my speech from here.
Yep.
John, my speech is to you. We are so proud of you. You are living everything that I would like my son to be when he grows up and, you know, becomes 40 like you. You've got a good family, you've got good friends, you work hard, you're positive, you're always there for mum and dad. Doesn't matter how busy life gets, you're always there, and you're always someone that we can rely on and depend on. So we appreciate that about you. We're thankful for you. And
just from me, your brother's on here, so I'll talk on the table. Yeah, John's been like a good uncle to me. And, I've always looked up to him when I've been growing up. Been a good role model. Always wanted to have big muscles like him. And if you've seen John's car, I like to call it the Nanomobile. But when we driving it, we call it the G-Ride. And he always tells me when he gets a new car, like an upgrade, then he will take me on a drive first. And yeah.
sorry, and I'll just quickly to jump in with the memory. It was true when John was a baby. I think I claimed John as my son, and I used to say, no, I'll do everything, and that's why he couldn't talk. But what surprised me last week, so he went from this person that was shy, always hiding behind others, not really out there and everything, and then last week he just became this Flavio from the ship, and which was so awesome, you know. It was awesome to see him out, you know. He was like a party starter, and I was like, oh, I think it's John's 21st. And I was telling a lot of people, I said, no, that's my brother John, he's turning 40 tomorrow, so I think it's just warming up. But yeah, thank you so much for all that you have done for us, especially for looking after Mum and Dad, and we appreciate you and we're proud of you, John. Right?
I remember little John when I was little, Hayden just always make me cry. All the time he gets me around the house, tries to bully me. Always just hide behind John because John would be the only one to stick up for me. John was my savior when our grandfather passed away.
And you normally take these situations to roast people like this. You can't roast this guy. He's invisible. He was that guy. There's a quote by Maya Angelou about teaching where you don't often remember everything that people teach you or being in their space, but you remember how they make you feel. And this guy was, for me, I don't know if he knows this or not, he was one of the people that was like, he was the glue in our group of friends. He was the one, not by saying much, but you knew he had your back. I got smashed in this one game for rugby. We used to play rugby together. We were really bad at it. We were good, the team was sick. I got smashed one time and this guy was like, who was it? I didn't know. You'd be happy to know that during high school, this guy was the one we could rely on. He was just, yeah, but I think I said it before, he was just reliable. Really appreciated having a friend like you, family member, cousin like you. And to see you even, several years later, you're succeeding in your embrace of our culture, our Niue language and culture. It's not something I would have picked 20 years ago. And it's bloody awesome to see you doing it now through your TikTok and your YouTube. On behalf of the Nevalangi family and the ones that can't be here today, but I know Dan really wanted to be here as well to celebrate, and especially John. Yeah, happy birthday. All the best.
Everything's true that everyone said. One big package.
Good one.
So stage number 4, Southern Cap. That's hello, hello, hello. Happy birthday for today, and it's been really good growing up with you, it feels like. I did a lot of my growing up in my 20s with you. 18 years, someone said. I might have known you. Happy birthday for today, and so happy to be here with your family. Your parties are always really inspirational, so thank you. From my Cambodian family and wife and Lennox, thank you.
I'm John's auntie from my brother Stephen's side. I'm Stephen's sister. Congratulations. We love you.
Vai Cucu, tudo bem? Vamos aí Cucu, meu bro. Vamos ficar de volta. Hoje não é com a faca, tàu đi phố xí của phở tạm mấy để cái này là cho một tiền điều ke celebrate ai e limu ko fulu. Whāma fulu.
50 years.
That's me next year. Yeah, e whāma fulu John. Ono hea tuke pū luas, rau e ke whakano he tua. Ono rātu, maro luas e tangata hausi. Ai me kupura heau, koe whawa mo tōru, koe white tama, ko patue, koe whaha mo whine tōre rāni, koe me koe tāne ke uaki. Ai ki si tangata tāne whamua, koe whi.
Me kumuanga.
Ha? Ai a moe se hina hana fuaki, ai ki si a koe. O te hoi te whakarata. Koe tamae tōra he tōtonu ko na uia ke ta cousin Hamari o John Nevalangi. Ki whakaingoa e ko John e hingoa, whakaingoa ke me hingoa ke waki ko au. Si whānau numi hingoa he mga wha haka fōki. Whakamui, Eric ki mea, John Stephen Hoyt Eric. Fuhu name hane. E whakaoe mene hako whakatahe ngoa he. Koe e tāne hau ke whakaingoa pe. E whakaoe whakeau ke matu whine, la he manoro he me ki a Papa John. Ia inu tēnā warau. Ai a whai e whetu warau e tau brau. Ai he's a good boy when he was small. See, he's still serving me his water. And he's still a good person. He went to work at Sky City, saved all his money, next minute he got a house. I have to finish just like that. Never waste of money. Because we bought our house as well. And then he met his partner, very nice woman, beautiful kids, well trained. That's all I can say. Thanks very much for coming, guys.
Korana, ngā koutou katoa, e sapula, tau palawa. Well, John, happy birthday, my son. I have to say, you're the best son for me. I have to say, I know ex-Christian and Hayden. Well, credit goes to those who earns it from me. I just want to say thank you, John, because when John and Hayden heard that I've got type 2 diabetes, they tried to help me manage and control my diabetes. Hayden used to come take me around St. John's, walk around night, but he wasn't a good coach. He knew that. I said, you're supposed to say, keep on going. He said, for what? You only lost 2 kilos, but for John persistently come every Sunday morning for the last nearly 3 years now, John. 3 years, every Sunday morning he'll come and we walk around St. John's. But when John was, as John said, yes, my family there, John's auntie, Sally Nevalangi, when I was craving for food, they provided the food, the raw fish, the taro, anything that I want to eat. And every Sunday they'll come pick us up and we go to Okaupe and ate raw fish there. Yeah, everything was fine. And on the day I gave birth to John, Stephen called Haley, John is his name, and he said, oh, she just had a baby, and it's a boy. And he said, no, I don't want it. I don't want a boy. No, you keep it. I don't want a boy. He was expecting a girl. And then in the afternoon, Sally walked in with a basket of nappies, everything for the baby. And then I said, when he was there, I said, oh, we spoke to Haley, that's his other name. And he said he doesn't want a boy, he wants a girl. And she said, oh, how dare he say something like that? He hasn't spoken to me. Because for her, to turn up at Green Line National Women's Day. So, but in a way, we are secretly happy because we got John, we got Christian, 2 boys, 4 girls, then John was born. And then I remember Stephanie who came into the hospital and she turns around and said to Christian, "You're no longer special now because John's here. John's going to take your place in primary, intermediate, and college." That's John. And thank you, son. Thank you for being a good son, and God bless you with your journey in life. And I also love you for your passion for Tamanghalu.
But you're so focused and dedicated, and when you decide to do something, you do it. And you don't get distracted. You're strong, not just in body, but you're strong as a person. And you're willing to grow and grow. And that's like your language. You embraced your language, and you embraced Thai language, you embraced Maori language, and with real honour and love and intent. Like you're so tired and you're gone to this event, gone to that event, gone to that. You want to support everyone in your family, you want to support everyone. And I just know that you're so tired, but you're doing it because it's important and the people around you are so important. Your love, it just really shows. And you listen, you have time to listen to people. I know you listen to me sometimes maybe you don't agree with me, whatever, but you're peaceful and I can talk to you, and really good discussions, and it's amazing, and it's a really amazing skill. Probably you've learned it at work, but you do, and you listen to the person, and that's how you get to know them, I suppose. You get to understand them, I lift my eyes to the hills. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. Indeed, he who watches over Israel will not neither sleep nor slumber. The Lord watches over you. The Lord is your shade at your right hand. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore.
A little bit louder, Ari.
Speeches were awesome. My sister made this, the salu salu. She made the salu salu, and this kahor. This other kahor was from Auntie Steph. Not Auntie Steph, my sister Steph. And this pawpaw was from Steph. So everything's looking good. Just finished the speeches, now we're going to get the food. What's up, Dan, brother? Good to see you, brother. Thank you, man. Thanks for coming, bro. Oh, was it? It smells good? Oh, shot. Oh, it's our famous curry, man. Could just eat that forever. This is palusami. Ailoi loto e palusami ling mamoy poke kumbi. Mamoy. That's from my brother Clippy. Oh, Papa making a fill here. Yeah, if you like yo, or for Masi. Fako, here's my cousin Tarasella. Tarasella got the oarfish. Oh, oarfish and Hakuku styles. Man. Gee, look at this. Oh, yeah. That's my cousin.
Okay, awesome.
Sure. Oh, what's this, cuz?
This is steam Povi Massimo.
Sure.
No, it's not easy.
Jeez. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh wow. Wow. As you can see.
Yeah. Do you want some time?
So.
Here's some auntie and uncle over here.
Okay, my friend, goodbye.
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Date is finished.
Well done, boys. Just getting ready now for our group photo. Ask him to take it. Ask who? Yeah, Eden. Go and take a group photo. Just getting ready now to take with the guest of honor in the middle. Okay. And then you could just press there. The red one? Yeah. Oh.
Kia ora, John. Ngā whānau kia koe, brother. Today has been absolutely beautiful celebrating you, my bro. The kai, speeches, waiata, everything, bro. It just really connects to who you are, and I've learnt a lot about you today. All the stories that people have spoken about you just really reflects on the man you are today. And I just want to say kia ora to your whānau as well, who shared their stories and who helped you create the person you are today. And love you, brother. And yeah, rā whānau kia koe, my bro.
My breakdancing uncle.
Really lovely to be here on your 40th. To see even another part of your extended family. Wow. And for us to be here today and celebrate your 40th is a pleasure and an honor. Mate, I'm very happy for you, and I hope 25 is another prosperous year for you and your family. Happy birthday.
Go uncle.
Happy birthday, Mish. We
love you. Love you guys too. Yep.
Okay, we're gonna fly here to so to say happy birthday to my Uncle John behind the camera. Also, happy birthday on behalf of the Tofa side, my dad's side. Uncle Am especially sends his love, and all the family on that side sends his love to Uncle John. So thank you for having me and all the family here. And I love the food, love the weather, love everything, and yeah, really grateful to be here. So happy birthday, Uncle John.
Go huh? Yeah,
happy birthday, Sean. God bless you. Have a wonderful life. Thank you. Alright. Happy 40th birthday, cuz. Thank you so much for the invite. They say that life starts at 40. So all the best in your future endeavors, and thank you so much for having us here today. Say happy birthday, Uncle.
Go it. Oh yeah, thanks cuz. Whakaalofa atu makau. Osi te aho nei. Osi te aho whanau. Whiwhela hio, man. Shout out to the family, everyone that showed up. It was awesome. Had a great day. The omo again turned out fine. Yeah, and the speeches that were awesome. So missed out my speech. Wasn't much of my speech, but caught a few of my siblings and my in-laws and my friends say something which was awesome. So thanks to everyone that came. Thank you to everyone that's watching. Big Bowler, shout out to you, bro. And Ben, my friends, my family. Too much thanks. Had a great day. Everyone's helped. So all the food got smashed. Trays and trays were taken home. The lamb was just off the chain. So next thing, it's New Year's now. Will be New Year's coming up soon. By the time you see this video, it'll be past New Year's. Just ready for 2025. But yeah, I haven't got given this. Haven't looked what's inside, but it's just cool. Got heaps of envelopes. Got some protein bars, backpacks, clothes. Yeah, blessed. But the main thing that I loved is that people were there to come. The people were here. That was like one of the best things ever. The speeches were cool. But anyway, I'm rambling. Kia monuina, take care, and we'll see you on the next video. Right now the cake got smashed, as you can see. That's all that's left. Curry destroyed. Raw fish. I've just heated up myself some curry. Yep, and I'm just gonna eat this all to myself in peace. I fasted all the way till 7:30, so I haven't eaten nothing. I'm just gonna eat now. Okay, kia monuina. Go Philadelphia. When I open up my gift and funnies. See what I got, Dave. Let's see. This gift, I've been holding it since. Oh, I knew it.
Oh my god.
Oh. Whakalahi. Oh, my favorite. My favorite. Whee! See. Whako.